And today is a good one because we are going to play with this Profusion Sultry palette and create this gorgeous blue look. So yeah, I hope you're excited. I see a lot of you are forgetting to hit the subscribe button, so why don't you do yourself a favor and make sure you hit that button now so you don't forget again. And also hit the bell so you'll be notified as soon as my videos go up. And if you like the look, don't you forget to hit that like button. That way I know you enjoyed the look. Anyways, now that I got that out of the way, why don't we hop on into this look. So I was strolling through Walmart just on my grocery day, and I saw this display of Profusion palettes, and I was like, oh, because I haven't seen Profusion at my Walmart yet, so I had to get one. So I got Sultry. My ring light is super bright. Okay, so Sultry. I think I just like palettes with the name Sultry in them, I guess. Because I also want the Sultry palette from Milani as well. So yeah, we're gonna play with this today. And I am so excited. Comes with a little brush. Not like the other palette. The other palette came with a dual-ended brush. This is a one-ended brush. Smaller blending brush. Jeez, yeah, he spit it out already. So, I don't know, I'm wearing my Beauty Obsessions with Jackie shirt that my good friend Christina made for me. Her channels are linked in my description box if you want to check her channels out. Okay, so first I need to prime the eyes. So I hear Dollar General has a new beauty brand, and I am like, I tried to find it and I cannot find it yet, so it's not in any of the stores around me yet. But when I do find it, you best believe I'm gonna be checking that out. Yes. Yes. Okay, so there's my eyes all nice and primed. I'm gonna go in with Adventurous right here. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and I'm going to use the double-ended brush that came in the Naturals palette for that. Tap it off. Trying to get all over my nice white shirt. Can't see. Tonsil. Oh my god, how does this get so dirty? That's my question. It is so pigmented. Wow. I'm hoping I have better luck with this palette than I did the Naturals palette. The Naturals palette just did not like me. So E.L.F. putty primer came back, and Poreless putty primer came back in stock, and I jumped on that so fast. So that will be coming shortly. Yay. Yay me. I think I'm going to go into this ecstatic, and that's going to be my crease shade, and I'm going to use the other brush that came in the palette. Is that shimmery? It might be a little shimmery. We'll find out what happens. These are blending out so well, and they are so pigmented that, like, wow. I really like this palette so far. I'm gonna get a flat eyeshadow brush, like so, I'm going to take this Lagoon blue color right there, and I'm going to put that on the lid. I hope this works. Ooh, pretty. Put that all over most of the lid except the little outer corner, because we're going to go over that with a different color anyways. So on to the next. Take that crease shade and just do a little blending. Blend out the edges of that blue. Okay, now I'm going to take, I don't know, part of me wants to try it without a glitter glue, and part of me is like, you're gonna need a glitter glue. I think we're just gonna glitter glue it up to begin with. That way I don't have to go back and try to fix one eye over the other eye. Not a me. Okay, a little bit of, this is Hard Candy Glitter Stay. I'm going to just take a little bitty pea size, put it on both fingers, and then tap it right in the middle of the blue on the lid. Off, and then we're gonna go in with this color, this baby blue color called E.L.F. We're going to put that on top of that glitter glue using a finger. It's hard to see just how beautiful that is. You see that? Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to take that blue and we're going to pack a little more on the inner corner. Both sides. You just want to keep that, you know, separate from that beautiful glitter. Kind of like a halo eye. And now we're going to go in with this. This little blending brush. Actually, you know what? I want a smaller than that. This smaller blending brush. We're going to take Risky, that dark brown right there. I'm going to pop that in the outer corner for some definition. Pop a little into the crease. Okay, take that crease brush and just blend it, blend it, blend it. Blend that into the crease. It's all about the blending. Take the transition brush and just blend the edges. Yeah, small, small, small. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Okay, liner. We need some liner. Liner. Just gonna use some E.L.F. liquid eyeliner. Just want to make a nice thin line. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on lashes, finish my face. We'll be back to do the bottom lash line. Woo. Okay, face is done, lashes are on. Now time to finish the bottom. So I think we're gonna go with the, if I can get it open, that blue that we put on the lid, the lagoon, and we're going to take that on the brush we used to pack it on, and we are just going to swipe that. Maybe wipe that off a little bit because now I'm getting fallout and that is not good. Okay, now I'm going to take that dark, that risky, that dark brown and connect the outer. I'm going to take my transition brush and kind of soften that a little. And on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the highlight I used today. That is I'm So Lit loose highlighter from Wet n Wild. I'm going to get this little tiny lip brush. Just touch in there, knock off the excess. And pop that in the inner corner. And jawbone. And now for some liner. I'm going to use the Koki Royal Blue Velvet Smooth Eyeliner. I'm going to put that in my waterline. Booyah. Now we need some Lash Paradise mascara. I'm interested to know how many of you can put on mascara with your mouth shut. Just curious, because I cannot. And take a sip of my drink before we do a lip. Wow, hot. You know me, we're gonna go for the nude because, I mean, I don't have a color that would really go with this blue eye look. Blue eye look. And of course, my new favorite lippies are the Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte, and this is the color Mile High. I'm gonna add a little LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter lip gloss just in the center. A little, dab it out with your finger. Just for a little center, lightning, highlighty kind of dealio. Okay, now we're gonna add the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Spray because I want to be dewy and glowy. Okay. Okay, guys, that is it. So, my thoughts on this Profusion palette. I definitely like this one over the Naturals. The Naturals, they just don't want to work. They just... I mean, the mattes work okay, but the shimmers are like non-existent in this one. But this one is absolutely gorgeous. And for $9.98 at Walmart, I totally would purchase this. It is thumbs up from this girl. I mean, look at these colors. I love it. So, if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked the look we created, and I hope you will come back to watch more of my videos, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!